Hello, Mr. Dog. What the fuck do you want? I just wanted to hear your thoughts on the election. I can rap about that. Yo, everybody, here's what I got to say. Hillary won't make you pay every day, but Trump is rump. He's singing his trumpet song, but really, he's just a big dong. And I'm not talking about his dick is really big. I'm talking that he's a big asshole that does the wiggle wig. Just got notified the video's downloading. Oh, yeah, bitch ass, I'm gonna upload your shit. Vote Hillary. She has the artillery. She'll shoot Trump in the balls. And she'll put up the walls. Not stopping immigrants if they're legal. She won't punch every seagull like Donald does, 'cause he's a stupid, 'cause I said so, and that's the end of my rap. Just tell my pap. You know? Oh, hey everybody. By the way, just an ending message. You don't have a name. If you're even watching this, then please go in the comments and ask for him to have a name. I just call him Dougie. Yeah, I just call him Dougie. But if you would like him to have a name, just comment below. Okay? Bye-bye!